Greetings to all. This is my sixth experiment in the Chaos Tools lab, and it's all about online library management system. That is a scenario given to me, and up to now, the previous video I explained about the state diagram, and in this one, I'm about to explain about the activity diagram, which is my sixth experiment. And activity diagram is of two types. Basically, before I talk about different types, let me tell you what it is. It's similar to a state diagram. It represents, but it uses a bit more representational entities like decision making and all that, especially decision making. And it looks like a flow chart. It represents dynamic flow of control. And to talk about the types of activity diagram, there are two types. One is with swim lane and without swim lane. What I've done here is the with swim lane. Actually, the difference between both is that if you're using swim lane, a swim lane is basically to group the different entities or states or the properties or functions, operations into columns based on the person who's performing it or initiating it. For example, here I have two swim lanes, one is the user and the other is database. And every function represented within the user happens with him. Either he initiates it or it happens in his scope. And same thing with the database, it happens within the database or the administration ecosystem. Now, this like it's this is the initiation, as I've explained in the previous videos, and then this is the first stage, and the user initiates the whole control, the flow. The user is asked to enter the username and the password. He enters them, and then the control goes to the database server where the data entered by the user is validated, and then the database initiates the get book function, and if it's true, it gets either it initiates the database the get book function, or it asks the user to register. Now, enter the book, and once the get book function is called, the user is asked to enter the book, and then he has to enter the ISBN number, and then he has to and then these data is again validated, and if the book is available, then the book is issued. Else, if it's not, then it exits. Hold on a minute. Yeah, there we are. Book not available. Yeah, right. Yeah. Okay. Book is not available, and we exit the system. But and issue, and then you are confirm, and then after confirming the transaction, the updation takes place within the database server, and the details are displayed, and that will be it. That will be the final state. That's it. Thank you all. This is my sixth experiment, and that's it. See you guys next time. I'm Paul. Bye.